Hello everyone, I'm Tony. I'll be your instructor on this program, along with Andine. In this session, we will discuss SEO foundations. At the beginner level, you need to recognize and understand the definitions and terms of SEO that you will often encounter while working as a digital marketer. There are many terms used in search engine optimization, starting from the simple ones to technical ones. We will try to learn with a language that is easily understood. SEO is interpreted as an activity that is carried out to increase the traffic quality and quantity of digital asset through organic search results from search engines, mainly being Google. Google is the dominant search engine used by digital consumers in finding information. Every day, there are more than 6 billion searches on Google. If you add up, there are 2.19 trillion searches every year. This shows how dominant Google as a search engine. Google dominates 76% of the traffic originating from searches of internet users. This number is far ahead beyond other search engines, such as Baidu, Bing, Yahoo, and Yandex. Even in mobile searches, Google dominates the search traffic by up to 96%. This data clearly shows that Google is the most popular search engine. Hence, by this number, the SEO materials here will be delivered based on the target to reach a front page rank on Google. The dominance of Google as a search engine clearly has an impact on digital consumers as well as internet users. 93% of the online experience felt by digital consumers and internet users start from search engines. Google plays an important role while digital consumers search for information, finding brands, comparing one brand with another, finding the best deal until purchasing, and writing reviews. It is not wrong if SEO is considered to be one of the important techniques to help brands increase their customers in digital marketing. SEO is important in the gain of optimal ranks and competing within Google search engine. There are a lot of topics that are related to SEO, for example, SEO analysis, website architecture, content, backlinks, keywords, ranks, on-page optimization, off-page optimization, etc. At least, you need to possess a few of the SEO technical basics. Meanwhile, if you would like to build your career as an SEO specialist, you need to master every single basics, technicals, practice, and additional SEO topics on an intermediate, advanced, and specialist level. An SEO specialist needs to master the techniques as follows. 1. Keywords. Keywords research technique. Understanding competition in SERP and deciding potential keywords. 2. On-page SEO. On-page SEO optimization technique that is decent and valid. 3. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO optimization technique that is a decent and valid link building technique. 4. Content. Content creation and optimization technique that maximize SEO ranks. 5. Page experience. Website page optimization technique corresponding to the development of algorithms of the search engine. 6. SEO audit. Website audit techniques and digital assets of a brand whose performance will be optimized. 7. Technical SEO. Technical optimization techniques such as website architecture, sitemaps, robots, crawlability, indexability, snippets, structured data, schema markup, etc. 8. SEO project management, a technique on how to manage an SEO/client's project, from proposals to reporting the performance of managed SEO assets. The techniques mentioned require ongoing practice as the working experience of an SEO specialist. How to get a website placed on the first page of a Google search. There are more than 200 SEO rank factors that could influence a website's position on a Google search. Google turns these factors into an algorithm to decide which websites are worthy of ranks. This process happens automatically and dynamically. If you want to do a website rank or digital assets of Google's first page, follow the rank factors that are used by Google. However, Google does not explain explicitly what the 200 rank factors are. But don't worry, although it's not provided in detail, we can learn these rank factors from the development of Google's algorithm. From our analysis of Google's algorithm, We can summarize the rank factors into three main factors. These are contents, backlinks, and page experience. We will learn these gradually in the beginner, intermediate, and specialist class. To succeed in managing SEO, you also need to learn how an SEO specialist works daily. This is called an SEO workflow. A workflow is the flow of work followed by those who want to rank a website on the first page of Google. Flow consists of identify, build, optimize, rank, and growth measurement. We will study the details in the intermediate class.